Never ever sit and deal with difficult thoughts after 3 p.m. because you're gonna loop. And like I said, this is a fact. This is just how our brains function. So it's like expecting your body to go on a heavy, long marathon in the middle of the night. You're not gonna function the same if you do it in the right time, okay? So that's one. Now, when it becomes daytime and you're going back to that thought, what I personally do is I grab that paper where I wrote that thought of that I'm pondering and how do I have to work with it, and I look at it. It depends. I mean, I don't know if you want to give more details, but I'm just going to make up a scenario. So the question says, you know, how do I achieve the following? Or how do I get myself to the following thing, right? So I look at it and I think, okay, we have to dissect it down. First and foremost, I tell myself everything is possible. So let's see how we can do this, and let's see the positive stream of thoughts and the negative one. And what I would do is I would split the paper in half and write the fears and the negative thoughts here, and write all the opposites right here, the positives of what might, the reality of what I would get out of it and what would help. Once you look at the rational fears or the logical fears and you remove them, you see, is it really a scary thing? Is it from my childhood? Is it from my adulthood? Can I do it? Is it doable? Yes. Okay, let's move on to how to do this. Is it not doable? Okay, let's forget about it and move on to the next thing. We're not going to dwell on it. I always say if you can fix it, fix it. If you can't, leave it. Anything in between will make you go crazy. So you make the choice then, once you've looked at it, is it doable or is it not? If it is doable, then you make a plan to achieve it. And you make the plan in small steps of what suits you and your inner child, right? Not that pushes you so much into discomfort in order to get something that actually, again, becomes self-sabotage. So how can I achieve it? Things like that usually take a bit longer. So rather than getting something done in a week, it would take 2 to 3 weeks. If you thought it would be done in a month, it would take 4 months. But it comes with pillars and learning and stability, and it gets you somewhere better. It just has growth to it. So you're working from within. You're not just working externally.